Welcome! In this video, we will discuss how to edit a point cloud in PIX4Dmatic. Editing a point cloud is a beneficial way to remove unwanted points and classify points into the appropriate classifications for further analysis. To remove unwanted points, open the Selection Tool drop-down menu and select the Polygon Selection tool. Left-click to place vertices around the unwanted points. Once you have drawn the polygon around all the points you wish to edit, right-click. The selected points will be highlighted in magenta. Verify that only the desired points are selected. To disable the points, hit Delete on your keyboard. The points are disabled in the point cloud. They are not removed from the project. For more difficult areas, use the clipping box to isolate points. To do so, open the Settings menu, expand Viewing Options, and turn on the clipping box. Isolate the points you want to remove. Select them and disable them using the procedure we discussed before. To view disabled points, open the Content menu and turn on Disabled Points. If you want to restore them to the project, highlight an area with disabled points using the Selection tool, right-click, and select Restore Point Cloud Points. The points will be returned to the main point cloud and removed from the disabled points. It is possible to assign points to their corresponding ASPRS classes in PIX4Dmatic. To do so, select the points either using the Selection tool or the color selection. Next, right-click on the points, hover over Assign to ASPRS class, then select the desired class. The points will now be assigned to that class in the Content menu, and the ASPRS class filter will be automatically opened. To stop viewing the ASPRS classes and view the true color point cloud, flip the switch here. We hope this tutorial video on editing the point cloud and assigning points to an ASPRS class was helpful. We'll see you in the next one.